See Vero marriage. You know they see the way she dey wear human hair. You know they see the way she dey wear Gucci, Versace. You know they see the way which kind man you even be safe. Which kind man you be when not dey fit dey take care of your wife. You see last week now I see say Vero post for Instagram say hubby did this to me. Just bought me a new phone, or hubby just bought me a new car. Do not compare your marriage with other people's marriage. Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Juliet Jacobs, a vlog. Yes, guys. Okay, if today is your first time of coming across my channel, I won't forget to tell you what we do here. Here we talk about marriage, relationship, how we can build our marriage, how we can build our relationship in a godly way. You know, say not be our power to do anything. You understand? Not be our strength. The Bible say it's not by power, not by might. Is by the Spirit, says the Lord, not by our power. So here we always ask for God's direction in everything we want to do. And so guys, quickly let's dive into the video. So guys, I want to talk about those people that compare their relationship with others. You compare your marriage with other people's marriage. And you not see Mama Victoria, you not see Mama Boy, you not see Mama Baby, you not see the way she dey dress. You useless man, you man wey no fit take care of your wife. No one magbe say una when baby need dey watch me. He said before husband and wife celebrate 25 years in marriage, since dey darkness when other people not see. So do not compare your relationship with anybody, because maybe the person when you want to go compare your relationship with, so your own even better person own. Your own better person own. Many people don't lose their home because of me. I no fit stay this marriage again. Go see so person, the way that they take care of her. You know they take care of me. You know they do this one. Go see that one husband. Go see this one husband. Go see this one husband. Now let me tell you something. You know say fake life full everywhere. Fake life don't take over the whole world today. So say we not know the one where they talk good again, or the one where they talk true, or the one where they lie again. You understand? So now you see person, he post for Instagram, or he post for in Facebook, have a Valentine gift from hubby, or Valentine gift from my sweetheart. If na a boyfriend, how sure are you? You dey there? You dey there when you wan go dey say no be so person buy a wife Valentine gift, no be so person buy a wife New Year gift or Christmas gift. Were you there? And now you want to compare your relationship with the other person's own, when you know say many girls nowadays sef, now they go buy the thing with their money finish, they'll come post and say my hubby Valentine gift came earlier from my sweetheart. Mona open na eye o. Mona open na eye o. Mona no say I no want na. Mona open na eye. Do not compare your relationship with someone else's own, because many people dey now that they spice up their relationship by themselves. Oh, who get here may hear. Juliet don talk im own o. As for me, I no go see wetin person get me enter my eye lie to lie. Even if he enter my eye say I admire the thing, I cannot use because of that to go and fight my husband at home. Wow, God forbid. God forbid. Make I go use because of one thing one another person get when I not get, because he post and say from hobby, I call use because of that one go dey fight my husband, my loving husband, my caring husband. I no dey mad. The small one when your husband dey do for you, appreciate am. Bini say okpon say always na win your way. They give you Nokia touch. You say na Nokia touch na him Papa Victor buy for him wife. When you call dey buy Nokia touch for me, e no go buy big Samsung for you or iPhone o. Appreciate the one wey you get. No let everything wey you dey see online deceive you. This one from hobby, that one from hobby, this nenemi from hobby, this one from hobby. More na take tell all these married women and you go home now, you don watch Christmas gift from hobby for Facebook for the phone wey Owerri buy for you. You go back, you go dey fight am, wan go dey compare your husband to another person husband. You know wetin that person dey take for inside. You are not living with them, you are not there. Na wetin you know na make you talk about. No talk about wetin you don't know. No testify of wetin you no know just because of wetin you watch online. No, don't do that. No do am, e no good. It's not right. Don't go and fight your husband because you see say the person post say na your husband do this one for am or na your husband do that one for am. You no see Papa Bomboy. You no see as e dey help him wife dey carry children. You no see Papa Bomboy. You no see am when dey go kitchen go dey cook. You no see that home. You no see as dem dey do this together, dem dey do that together. Not all that glitters are gold. Do not judge a book by its cover. If you no dey inside book, you no go know wetin dey inside. Many people today, dem dey spice up their relationship because dem no want make e fail. If e fail, how people go talk? And you, when you get your genuine relationship, the small one wey you get, you say no, you wan dey compare your own marriage wey God give you with another person own. Take time. Take time o, because you no know wetin dem dey pass through. Take time o, because you no know wetin dem dey see. Na who dem say na who enter river na go fit say im match fish. Some people there now, dem go say I no marry this man again. Dem say upon everything wey the man don do for am, you dey there. You dey there. You know say many girls today dem dey buy cloth for their self, dem say na their husband buy am. Dem dey o. If una no know, dem plenty, dem Sarah. You understand? You are not there. Don't go and kill your husband. Don't go and destroy your home. Don't go and kill yourself because of someone else's marriage. Many things dey the marriage when you no know. For example, I'm not saying all, some of them. Maybe the person wey not even showing, wey not even dey show himself, e even better pass the one wey you dey feel say e better. If they tell you wetin dem dey see, you sef you go run. Dem make one parable for my place say where dem for dey eat ordinary crayfish, house where dem for dey eat ordinary crayfish and peas dey. E better pass the one wey dem for dey kill cow every day and na so fight. If na chineze you dey wear and you get peace of mind in your marriage, value your marriage o, value your chineze marriage. Than say you see the one when you get Maka marriage, Italo marriage, like Maka na, no be Italo product, be Maka. You get Maka marriage and they beat her every day for his house. They do anything. For your mind, you feel say na everything when she wear come out, or everything when she post saying hobby do this one, hobby do that one, na truth. And you go house, you begin to fight your husband. You begin to misbehave, they give your husband. You begin want to compare your another person marriage to your own marriage. You don't ever see God give two people the same thing. Like wetin he get for you, now he get for another person. No. The favor, the grace when you carry, not be another person carry. Everybody with your own grace. If you see wetin not good for your home, try amend and not compare your home with another person's home. Do not compare your relationship with someone else's relationship. It's not right. Do not compare what you see with the ones you have at home. No. No, value what you have. The small one when you get, value him. The small man when you get for us, value him. The small character when you get, manage am like that. The one when e bad, try as much as possible with prayer and amend the bad side. Before you go compare your marriage to another people and you go break your marriage by yourself. Not say I not tell you, oh, mama testimony don talk your own. No. Not say I not tell you. Face your home and leave other people's home. Face your marriage and forget about other people's marriage. It's not your business. Anyhow their marriage take go na their own, not be your marriage. You understand? Whatever you are doing, do not compare your marriage with someone else's marriage. Do not compare your relationship with someone else's relationship. Value the one you have. Value the one you are into. And make it a better place for you and your husband, or for you and your children. Not they make assumption, not they compare your marriage to another person own, because that person own and that person own. Anyhow way they pass through, you know they there, you don't know. Face your own and build your home. Build your home by yourself. Make you know they compare your own with other people own. That is all I have to say, guys. Concerning people that you will see somebody now, you go say my hubby do this one, my hubby do that one. You know they there. You don't know whether they lie, you don't know whether they talk true. And you go house, you begin to say that not be your mate be that, not be your mate. Do not compare your husband. Not they tell your husband say not be your mate be that. No. Your husband not get mate. You are supposed to know that. Your husband, if not be your husband, enough will be your husband. E not get mate. Do not compare your husband with any other person. Do not compare your wife with any other person. See that person wife, see the way they do. If your wife get character when you not like, put am for the way when you take like am. Now your wife not be person. You understand? No, they compare your wife with other people. I'm sorry, I did not even mention this before. No, they compare your wife with other people. Just the way e not good make woman go they compare your husband with other people husband. May you know say your wife not get second. Your wife, if e not be your wife, e not be like your wife. You understand? Be contented with what you have. The husband when God give you, value am. The wife when God give you, value am. No dey no dey come dey say see this person wife. Oh, sorry guys. See this my wife. See see my wife my friend wife. Sorry. See my friend wife. See how e be. You know they dress, you know they do this one, you know they do that one. If you want make your wife dress, do am, e go dress for you. E go dress for you when you go like am. Or see Sister Janet husband, or see Sister Vero husband. Not compare your husband with any other man. Your husband is your husband. He's not supposed to be replaceable. He's irreplaceable. Is incomparable. You don't compare your husband with other people. You understand? So stop, comparing your marriage with other people relationship or their marriage. Yes, guys, that is the end of the video. If you like this video, I want you to give it a thumbs up, share, like, and comment. Share it with everybody. And I want to say again, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell, that you will be the first to be notified whenever I post a new video. So my returning subscribers, I love you all. God bless you for always coming by.